The Garden of Eden is not just a theological place, it is the epitome of human environment interaction. In that world, Adam did not measure the field, he meets it, he sees it. There were no dashboards, no sensors, no drones, no heavy machines. There were no economic numbers, no agronomic expectations to mediate his attention. There was only his presence, bodily experience, and interactions. He moves upon the surface of the land, and he knows it, not by numbers, but by hands, nose, ears, and eyes. Across time and through lived memory. This is agricultural phenomenology, the study of lived experience as it appears to consciousness, before interpretation, before measurement. Practically speaking, it is the lived reality of field conditions from the moment we enter the field. It's all about touching the plants, squeezing the soil between our fingers. It's about getting our boots wet with the morning dew before field conditions become data points in dashboards. It is the raw encounter with the farm, and that's why the Garden of Eden matters. It is a symbol of primal human environment, human farm interaction. Adam is certainly the first philosophical model of the farmer. He is the first embodied interpreter of farming systems. That is where agricultural hermeneutics began, the interpretation of observed field conditions. And from that first garden to our modern fields, one question remains: how do we transform field experience into meaningful signs and symbols without losing the essence of that experience? That is where agricultural semiotics begins, the transformation of our experience into meaning. It is the process of turning field features, including crop phenotypes, into meaningful signs and symbols, data and metadata, the numbers and the meaning behind them. First, within our databases and farm management systems, and finally, upon our dashboards. With this, we have covered the PHS framework, the cornerstone of the entire series. This framework can be summarized as from field observations to the interpretation and the encoding and presentation of both to stakeholders. Next, we will explore the P for phenomenology, the philosophical method founded by Edmund Husserl, especially the terms noema and epoche, and their application to farming systems. Follow and subscribe to the PhiloScientist on Facebook and YouTube for this unique video series. My name is Paul Célicourt. I am an assistant professor at the Institut National de la Recherche Scientifique in Quebec, Canada. Cogito.